Hello, welcome to my channel. How you doing? I hope you are doing great. If today is your first time of seeing my video or coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Here I do cooking, I do baking, I do a lot of things. So feel free to subscribe, like, comment, share, and on your notification bell in case I upload a new video. You will be the first to be notified. So this is simple lunch, simple rice recipe. Don't need to do much, just few minutes it's ready. So you have to parboil your rice to remove the liquid starch. If you don't want to parboil, it's fine, you can just wash twice or three times, it's okay, and you don't need much ingredients. Just watch what I use here and do exactly the same, and your family are going to love it. So first of all, I slice my onions and I keep aside. So after slicing my onions, I'll keep aside. You will need red bell pepper, green, this kidney beans, optional. If you don't have, it's fine. Then if you have sweet corn, you can also use. So after washing my rice, it's time for the cooking. So I have some red bell pepper I always preserve in the freezer. If you want to know how I do that, it's very easy. You can check my video out and you will see the process there. So add onions to your rice. This red bell pepper, green, yellow, and red. So seasoning cube. Add your seasoning cube. So I decided to break it down so that it will dissolve on time, but it does not matter. That is black pepper. You can use fresh pepper, optional. I just wanted that black pepper aroma, so add salt to taste. This groundnut oil. So add your groundnut oil. Like I said, you are not frying anything. Everything is being cooked, so it's very heady and yummy. So stir very well. As you are stirring, you can taste to make sure that the salt is okay. So I have this chicken, leftover chicken. I just decided to add it so that the rice would not just come out plain. But if you don't have chicken, you can use anything or you can cook it like that. It's still fine, it's still okay. So cook for like 20 minutes, depend on how you like your rice. Some like it hard, some like it soft, so depend on you. So once the water is dried up, it's ready. So I have to turn aside so that it will not get burned under. So this are kidney beans. Add your kidney beans. It's optional, just for garnishing. If you don't have, you can use sweet corn. If you don't have, it's fine. Your rice will still come out tasty and delicious. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video out. Leave your comment. So our rice is ready. You see? Just a few minutes, lunch is ready. You don't have to waste all day in the kitchen. So it's ready to serve. Enjoy. Please watch more of my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Stay tuned. I'll see you in my next video.